Hey, this is Matthew from Murder Room Morgue. You're watching Hodgepodge, and I'm going to do a bit of a gear rundown. So the main parts of my gear, I typically run. Usually, when we gig, I run a snare. This is a Mapex snare. I believe it's a bell brass snare. Nice and loud, 5x14. I have a 14x14 floor tom. This one is also a Mapex. It's a birch and maple mix. I like having my snare and one of my other toms to be the same size in case I lose a head. I can pull it off the tom, and it'll save me from having to carry on a whole bunch of other stuff. The kick is a 22. It's a Premier. It's a Cobra kit. This actually, our guitar player, Daniel, it's his drum set. That's the only part that's remaining from it that I use regularly. It's a 2216. I run Evans heads. I have the EC ones and the EC reverse dots on them. The reverse dots are a snare head, but they're nice and thick, and they sound great live. I have a G-Mad on the kick. The foam ring in there is really nice. Sound engineers tend to like that a good deal. The real baby of this stuff are the cymbals. I play Paistes. I've been playing Paiste cymbals for decades at this point. They're absolutely the best. These are all Paiste Alphas. I have Paiste Alpha Rock Crash, Paiste Alpha Rock Hats, Paiste Alpha Rock Ride, and here I tend to run a whole bunch of different stuff depending on the gig. Here's a Swiss Crash. The Swiss has got the holes in it. It's still a Paiste Alpha. Underneath, I have a Paiste Alpha Rock China. Here I've got them run as a stacker with a remote hi-hat stand. Sometimes I'll run a China, sometimes I'll run the Swiss just on its own. I have Iron Cobra kick pedals. Those are Tama. Tama's hardware is absolutely the best. It's durable. It'll last you forever. I've never had anything fail on me with Tama's stuff. My hi-hats I run as remote hats. I don't have a foot pedal for them. I'm doing double kick most of the time. So this just makes it so there's a continuity of sound within the band. I play Vic for 2B sticks. I've played every other stick brand out there, and Vic's are absolutely the best. These are Hickory 2Bs. Nice long. I'm not going to have any issues with them. Never broken one. And yeah, that's basically what I run.